Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Get This App from Play Store problem on an Android phone. So this error can prevent an app from opening properly, but a few simple steps may solve it. So start by restarting your phone. Restarting refreshes the device and removes the temporary system issue that could be causing the problem. So once your phone turns back on, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Manage Apps and Devices. Then check the Updates Available section and then look for the app that is showing the problem and update it if an update is available. And you should also make sure that the Google Play Store and Google Play services are updated because they help verify and run apps correctly. And if the problem continues, open your phone settings and go to Apps and find the app that is showing the error, and then select Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. And then repeat these steps for the Google Play Store and Google Play services. And remember that clearing the app data may sign you out of some apps. And after completing these steps, open the app again and check whether the problem has been fixed. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.